You got paid, you paid rent, you bought groceries, you filled up the tank. And somehow, 3 days later, there's almost nothing left. You didn't buy anything crazy, you didn't go on vacation, you didn't splurge. You just lived. And this is happening to millions of Americans right now. Not because they're bad with money, but because something in the system fundamentally changed after 2020. And today, UnearthUS is going to show you exactly what that is, with fresh 2026 data, and give you 5 real ways to start fighting back. Let's start with the facts. All of these are from 2026. The average American is now saving just 3.6% of their income. Financial planners say you need to save between 10% and 20% to build real security. At 3.6%, if you bring home $4,000 a month, you're keeping roughly $144. One flat tire. Gone one doctor visit. Gone one unexpected bill. Gone. And it gets worse. 24% of Americans right now have zero emergency savings. Not a little, zero. Nothing between them and a financial disaster. 29% of Americans carry more credit card debt than they have in savings. And the number that should be on the front page of every newspaper in America, the percentage of people raiding their retirement accounts just to survive day to day has tripled since 2020. From 1.7% to 6%, according to Vanguard's own data. These aren't lazy people. These aren't irresponsible people. These are people who bought groceries that cost 26% more than they did in 2019, who paid rent that went up, who watched their bills climb while their paycheck barely moved. This is a structural problem, and it was building for years before most people noticed. Here's the part nobody explains clearly enough. The financial system in America is not designed to help you save. It is designed to keep money moving through you into someone else's account. Think about it. Your bank pays you 0.5% interest on your savings account. Meanwhile, it charges 20% interest on your credit card. That gap, that enormous gap, is not an accident. It is the business model. And subscriptions? The average American household is now paying for subscriptions they forgot they had. Streaming services, app charges, free trials that became paid plans silently. Most households find between $40 and $130 per month in forgotten subscriptions when they actually sit down and look, according to a 2026 financial analysis. That's up to $1,560 per year, quietly draining out while you sleep. Then there's inflation, still running above wage growth as of May 2026, meaning your paycheck buys less every single month, even if the number on it didn't change. Now, here's what actually works in 2026. Not theory, not skip your coffee, real moves. Number 1, save before you spend, not after. Most people try to save whatever is left at the end of the month. There is never anything left at the end of the month. The fix: automate a transfer to savings on the exact day you get paid, even $25, even $50. It moves before your brain registers it as available money. Harvard Federal Credit Union confirmed this reduces financial stress and builds the habit automatically, no willpower needed. Number 2, move your savings to a high-yield account today. If your savings are sitting in a regular bank account earning 0.4%, you are losing money to inflation every single day. High-yield savings accounts in 2026 are paying between 4% and 5% interest. Same FDIC protection, same access. Just more money working for you. This one move costs nothing and takes 10 minutes. Number 3, do a 20-minute subscription audit. Open your bank statement, look at every charge under $20. Write them all down. Cancel every single one you haven't used in the last 30 days. Most people recover $50 to $130 per month from this one exercise alone. That's your emergency fund, right there, hiding in plain sight. Number 4, use the 50-30-20th rule as your reset button. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB, recommends this simple split. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, utilities. 30% goes to wants, everything optional. 20% goes directly to savings and paying down debt. Most Americans have that flipped. 80% going to needs and wants, 20% going to debt interest. Just knowing this ratio and working back toward it even slowly changes everything. Number 5. Attack one debt at a time, not all of them. Trying to pay everything at once means paying everything slowly. Pick your highest interest debt, usually a credit card at 20%, and throw every extra dollar at that one while paying minimums on everything else. When that one is gone, redirect everything to the next one. This method, called the avalanche method, saves the average American household thousands in interest over 24 months. You're not failing at saving. You're running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. If this is hitting home, subscribe to UnearthUS, because this is exactly the kind of truth we unearth every week. The savings crisis in America is real. The data proves it, and it is not your fault that the system was built to keep money flowing through you, not to you. But knowing how the system works is the first step to working around it. 5 moves, that's all it takes to start. Automate your savings. Move to high yield. Kill forgotten subscriptions. Follow the 50/30/20ths rule. Attack one debt at a time. Small moves. Consistent. Over time. That is how you fight back. Subscribe to UnearthUS, because the financial truth the banks don't want trending lives right here. Next video, we're going inside the Federal Reserve and asking the one question nobody in financial media will ask directly. Who does it actually work for?